Alright guys, came up to the battlefield to see what's going on up here. It is, obviously there's a lot of activity. Everywhere I turn my head, there's bikes. I saw somebody walking with a sign anyway, towards one of the monuments over here on Confederate Avenue. Yeah, I mean, that don't mean shit, but it's definitely very, very active town today. So, let's see what's doing, who's doing what, where. See what kind of turnout we got. Here's a positive thing. There's bikes. There's motorcycles. It's like almost like bike week a week early. So I'm giddy about that aspect. The other bullshit could go. I'm here for motorcycles. Enjoy the bikes. Let's do this ride. You know, there's some people posting rumors online, and someone's like, BLM is already there. This person's doing that. That person, oh, the Klan was here yesterday. I said, you know, pics or it didn't happen. Post the fucking photos. Quit this hearsay bullshit. I'm sick of hearing about it. So, a lot of stuff going on up at the cemetery. A lot of bikes up there. So I really hope there's no bullshit today, and you know, we're just out here to ride around, enjoy the bikes, fly some flags, that kind of shit. Give each other the big rub. You know, gawk at motorcycles. Yeah, it looks like they borrowed some cops. Into coffee, looking good. Dude, he had that bikini cover thing that I want so bad. Cover his seat. He's doing it, man. He's doing it. This shit out, cameras and stuff. Oh Christ, I gotta come back down through this traffic. Yeah, I think I'll be cheating. But if I said, hey rider, to everyone today. Look at this traffic. I ain't sitting in that shit. Alright, so it seems a lot of stuff happens up here at the circle. That's why I always choose this route. Come into town, Steinway, come up Baltimore Street. through the circle, and then wherever I go. But the typical ride route, because that's where all the fun shit happens. Motorcycles. Come on, man, pick a place and go. I'm gonna sneak right through. There you go. Good man. Getting hot. Ooh, hey. Why nobody's using Washington Street. Just slip right down. Let's go find some more motorcycles. If I was a real videographer, I would have parked my damn bike, got out my other camera, and shot all those bikes. One of the cameras in the trunk charging right now because I forgot to plug it in.